Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products to make this card, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. When you purchase Stampin' Up! Products through me, you can earn free products. Check out my current customer appreciation products on my blog, and the link is listed below in the description. Today, I'd like to share with you my last paper pumpkin alternative project using the September 2021 paper pumpkin kit called Harvest and Haunts. And this fun kit created 12 treat boxes, and it came with a really fun stamp set. And so today, I am focusing on using just the stamp set to create my card. Each month, I provide my Paper Pumpkin subscribers with an exclusive card kit designed by me. This is the card they will be making. If you would like to also receive this extra perk, you can sign up to get your own Paper Pumpkin subscription by using the link in the description box below. Make sure to choose me, Chelsea Christensen, as your demonstrator. So let's go ahead and get started creating this card. I'm really excited to share with you this card because it uses a fun technique, and it is called kissing. And what I'm excited about is I think I'm using it in a little bit of a unique way than it usually is used. So we're going to begin with the solid leaf image, and I've inked it up in Pale Papaya. Now, if you don't have the same colors that I'm using, then just go ahead and choose a light color, kind of that's a little bit like of a fall color, and then you're going to want to have a darker color that kind of coordinates. So my darker color is Pumpkin Pie, and I'm going to ink up kind of this little swatch, brush stroke, whatever you want to call it, and I'm inking that up in the darker color. And then I'm going to kiss these two images together on my solid leaf. And you can kind of already see that that darker ink has transferred over onto my solid image here. Next, I'm going to find the center of my cardstock piece. And you can always get the measurements for the cardstock that I'm using in the description below. Okay. So you can see here that I now have some variation to that leaf. My only problem is I also now have some white areas. So I want to kind of fill those in. And so I'm going to now stamp once again in my light color, but I need to clean my stamp first. So I'm going to ink up and then line that image up and stamp once again. And that's going to kind of fill in any of those white spaces and just give me a nice kind of more uniformed leaf. But you can still see the variations in that in those colors. So I'm going to go ahead and do this again, but with some different colors. So next I'm going to do Pumpkin Pie and Poppy Parade. And this is going to give me this nice orangey red color to my leaf. So I'm going to begin with the lighter of the two, which is Pumpkin Pie. Then I'm going to pick up some of the Poppy Parade with my brush stroke image, and I'm going to stamp that, kind of kiss those two images together to create some different coloring to my leaf. I'm going to line this up just next to my first leaf, which onto the left side. I'm just kind of matching up those corners right there, and then stamp that. And you can see how bold that really is. It's really pretty and a really fun technique. You're going to get a different look each time. And then I'm going to ink up again in Pumpkin Pie, and I'm just going to stamp once more. This again is just going to kind of unify all those colors, bring it all together. So really pretty. Okay, so clean once again both of the stamps, and then we're going to move to a green leaf. And for this green leaf, I'm going to use the soft succulent color that came in the kit, and then another dark green color, which is, for me, I'm going to use the Evening Evergreen. But again, go ahead and pick, a color that you already have. So ink up the solid image first in the light color and then the brush stroke in the dark color and stamp those together. And then stamp them on the opposite side. And you're going to get this really fun look here. Clean it and then stamp once more with your soft succulent color. Just line it up. It's nice and easy to line up with those photopolymer stamps. Look how pretty those leaves are all together in a row. So to finish our stamping, I've got some soft suede ink here, or you could use a black or another brown color that you might have. And I'm just going to stamp the detailed image now in the center of each of these leaves. Just like that. And then for my greeting, I'm going to use the thank you that comes in the stamp set from the Paper Pumpkin kit. And I'm stamping that in soft suede as well, just in the center of this 1/2 inch strip. And this strip is 2 3/4 inches in length. All right, so to finish my card, I'm going to add this basic white piece to a larger piece of soft suede. And then I'm going to place some ribbon around the bottom. And I loved how the fine art ribbon looked with this. It's just got a nice gold element to it. And I just need to cut it a little bit bigger than my cardstock. And I'm just going to add adhesive to the back and then place it. I'm looking maybe for about 1 inch or so above the bottom of the cardstock piece, and you just wrap that around. And then I can add this to my card base with some dimensionals. My card base is of Crumb Cake Cardstock. And then this just goes right in the center. And then my greeting, I've just added a little adhesive to the back of that. And I just place that right in the center over the ribbon. And my card is all done. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this simple alternative card using the Paper Pumpkin kit from September 2021. If you're interested in getting written instructions or seeing close-up images of this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsea.com. If you'd like to get your own Paper Pumpkin subscription, please use the link in the description box below to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.